The Cow and the Butterfly Story. One sunny day, a cow was grazing peacefully in the field. Nearby, a colorful butterfly fluttered around, catching the cow's attention. The cow watched the butterfly in amazement as it danced from flower to flower. Curious, the cow said, "How wonderful it must be to fly and be so free. I must always be careful of strong winds and birds. You, on the other hand, are strong and steady with no fear of such dangers." The cow thought for a moment and realized that everyone has their strengths and weaknesses. What seems perfect in others' lives may come with its own challenges. Moral of the story: appreciate your own strengths and do not compare yourself to others, as everyone faces different challenges in life. So guys, if you like this video and want more like it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.